Hey guys, so I'm also using this as the Linux course introduction, and anybody who has not worked on cloud or Linux machine before, we're going to create a Google Cloud free account, and it's not necessarily free, but you get $300 credit, which is impossible to run out. Okay, so the address that you want to use, you can convert your regular email account into Google Cloud account. This account you should be fairly regularly using. You don't get any spam, so I wouldn't worry about that. But if there are any billing issues, any kind of issues, you will get the emails here. All right, so I'm using johnnyshop@gmail.com. And this is the first screen where it'll ask you which country you're from. You're going to have to answer truthfully because it's going to verify all that information before letting you in to your Google Cloud account. And here we never have a choice but to agree to the terms and conditions. It'll be an individual account, and then your name, address, city, state, zip code. Now once again, this information is going to have to be accurate. If Google cannot verify this information, it won't let you in your account. So it takes your name and address here, but on the next step it's going to ask you for your credit card information, which is not going to get charged. And as long as you're following my instructions, those $300 are going to last you the entire year. But it needs to be accurate information. So I'm going to use my credit card. And that's it, guys. Basically, there you got your free Google account. Now the Linux guys, you can stop here and go move on to the next chapter. For the Google certification training guys, so in Google, first, anytime you want to use the service, it needs to be activated first. So right when I clicked on the VM instances, you can see that message, compute engine is getting ready. Google wants to keep their footprint really small, no matter what the service is. So if you're going to use just two services in Google, only resources get created for only those two services. Same thing for their Google command line install. Well, same thing just about anywhere. One thing to note, the top blue bar, the first project, that is the container Google will use to store all your resources. So very top structure in a Google account at this point is a project, and it creates a default project for you. And right now it has that Linux Spark Control Patrol something weird name. We will look more into what projects are and the naming conventions, etc. in the next chapter. That's all for this lecture, guys. See you in the next one.